Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
Well, the intriguing part about your business is when I was introduced to the concept, to the company, this was been about a year ago now, where we just began to be aware of what you were doing. It was the fact that these repairs could be done without draining the pool.
Yeah, some.
Now that's
Not all, but some.
That's pretty clever.
Yeah. Yeah, we're forced to, right? Because if it's a plaster pool in the summer months, you can't drain it, right?
Yeah.
So we generally try our best to keep the water in the pool too. We're finding that the Valley's customers really want to conserve water, and if we can save it without draining it, we'll certainly do so. But yeah, case by case basis for sure.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona,